Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I have quite a Halloween decor haul to share with you. Hi friends, so today I'm going to take out all of the treasures I've picked up for Halloween and show them to you before I get started decorating. So my living room is covered in Halloween treasures. Things I have been picking up for weeks, possibly months. It is kind of crazy how early everything comes to the stores, and if you don't pick it up, you won't get it. I also have some things up on my mantle, and then I'm gonna start over here because these are things that, I just treasure, things I have had my eye on for the last couple years. I did get 3 Bethany Lowell figurines. These are a part of her children's collection. Now the 2 boys, the spider and vamp, you guys will see these all on my home tour. Those I picked up on a website called Traditions, I think, and then was able to find the little Halloween princess on eBay. So just a little early Christmas gift to myself. And then I found this sign at Marshall's, Happy Halloween. It's only $6.99. This little thing down here, just flip over for trick or treat. I think it's so cute with the candy corn. And then I made a quick stop into a local thrift store and I found this. Couldn't leave without it. It was $9.99. So it's metal. And on the bottom there is a price tag for $29.99 from Home Goods. I put some tissue in there so you guys could see the face, and it's just a beautiful black urn cauldron jack-o'-lantern. Now let's look at what's on the mantle. So quick side note, all of this was purchased before I had surgery. You guys know I'm home, I'm recovering. I'll do a video on that soon and you'll understand why I chose that timing to do it. I did pick up these before surgery at Ross for $8.99. I had to have them both. I think that is just a really good price. And then we have a local boutique and I picked up these candy corn. I believe they're Bethany Lowell. Are you seeing a trend yet? If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this. I shared it in my stories. So I just popped into Lowe's and they had an inflatable candy corn I couldn't leave without for $14.99. And then I picked up the little cauldron and ghost open mouth candy jar from Target Dollar Spot for $3. And right after surgery, this is the only thing I purchased, we went to our local grocery store to pick up my prescription, and it's considered like a offshoot of Kroger. It's actually Albertsons here in California, and I picked up this little jack-o'-lantern lantern that is ceramic for $8. Now we'll get to all of this over on the couch. First is this standing jack-o'-lantern. Now it's hollow, and I think I'm gonna have my husband just drill a hole in the back and we can put some lights in it. It's very lightweight because it's hollow. I think it is really well priced. It was $22.99 and it's got to be like 3 feet tall. So love that. As you can see, I brought in the box I've had everything stored in over there. Now Target. I haven't been to Target a lot. They put out their Halloween stuff and I guess it got sold out. So a lot of it didn't make it to the stores near me, but I was able to order this online, which is the wreath, and it was $20. And then I picked up this. I hope it's gonna work out. I have an idea. It's just a little canopy or tent for $15. I thought that was a good price. And I ordered these both where I got a discount because I spent a certain amount. So it all worked out. And then last year I picked up a black garland from Michael's. So this year I knew I wanted to pick up another. And I also shared that on Instagram when they put these out, and I got this one at 50% off, so I paid $10. It has black bats. I'll probably be taking these off. I think I took them off my other one. And then at Marshall's for $16.99, I found this ornament garland, so I did pick up 2 of those so that I can use them in these garlands. I think it's going to be perfect. Over here I have a pillow I grabbed from Burlington Coat Factory. So it's actually striped on the back. It was only $6.99. What I love is that it has a zipper, so I can go ahead and take out the pillow form and just store the cover. So I was excited about that. And Michael's had their 50% off Halloween sale, which is what I was waiting for. So I picked up quite a bit from Michael's. I really fell in love with this little cat when I did the shop with me. So originally I believe it was $20. I got everything at 50% off. This one I think was $21.99. It's a standing sign. I might alter it. And then I'm hoping this one works out. It was, I think, $34.99. And I'm not in love with the glitter on it, but I don't think it's too noticeable. And I have a very specific place in mind for it. Then I picked up a spool of their candy corn ribbon. I wish I had gotten 2, but it was a bit pricey, even at 50% off for $9.99. And I got these little guys that I think are so cute. And I got it in the jack-o'-lantern and also the black cat. And these 2 picks in Trick or Treat and Boo. I think they look like cookies, so I might display them like that. I'm not sure yet, but like I said, everything was 50% off and I waited on that sale. Ooh, it was nerve-wracking. Now let me show you guys a few things I picked up from Walmart. I did get this little hanging jack-o'-lantern. It was just 98 cents. It's wood. And I thought he was so cute. He was $3.84 and lights up. Has a little LED candle in there. And it took a while to find these, but I finally located them. And it's a 2-pack of the candy corn bottle brushes, and they're $8.88 for 2-pack. Thought it was interesting that they were selling them in the pair. I also got 2 of these little pumpkins for 98 cents. I love the black in there. And this little truck, I think it is so cute. Now, when I bought it, it's only $4.44, so I'm not worried about it. But when I bought it, the little jack-o'-lantern fell off, and I thought, no problem. I can maybe take them all off and loosen them and then put like this side for fall and then turn them this way for Halloween. But I just figured out that the other 2 pumpkins don't have jack-o'-lantern faces. So I still think it's adorable. And I had to bring home these scarecrows. I actually didn't pick them up when I did the shop with me, but then I thought about it and had to go back and find them. When I took you all to Home Goods, I shared this little guy. He was $16.99. Last year I picked up the matching girl, so I was glad to find him this year. And then up by the registers, they had this adorable little set of felted candy corn for $9.99. And then when I took you to Home Goods, I did pick up this little outdoor pick, Trick or Treat, for $7.99. And then on Amazon, I picked up this pillow cover. I think I paid $8. If I had to do it over again, I wouldn't. It's really flimsy. But all that to say, I'm pretty happy with everything I picked up this year for Halloween. Comment down below and let me know if anything stood out to you guys. I will definitely be bringing you a home tour to show you how I put everything together. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all my new treasures. I'm super excited to start decorating and wanted to wish you all a happy October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.